Did you know you can customize the look of your Pixel 11 app icons to better match your home screen theme? Here's how. Change icon style or create custom icons on Google Pixel. Long press on the blank area of home screen and tap Wallpaper and Style. Swipe up to open Pixel 11 home screen settings. Tap on Icons. Here, you can change app icon style, icon shape, and show or hide app names on your Pixel home screen. Tap on Style and choose from the default or minimal. To create a custom icon, tap on Create. You can find new style including Disco, Scribbles, Cookies, Easel, Treasure, or Stardust. Tap any style. Also, customize icon on Pixel 11. Tap on Download in the top right corner. Now you can apply the new app icons to your Pixel home screen. However, one drawback of this feature is that the new icons don't appear in the app drawer. How to change icon shape on Google Pixel 11. To change Pixel 11 icon shape, go to Settings. Tap Wallpaper and Style. Tap on Icons. Tap Shape. 5 different shapes available including circle, square, 4-sided cookies, 7-sided cookies, or arch. Choose your preferred app icon shape, which will be applied only to the app icons on your Pixel home screen. How to hide names on home screen apps on Pixel. Tap on Names tab in the Icons settings. Toggle off Show App Names. Now hide app names from your Google Pixel home screen. Which app icon style would you choose for your Pixel 11? Classic, themed, or a completely different look? Let me know in the comments.